Hello friends. Today, we're diving into some amazing kitchen gadgets you can find on Amazon. These tools are perfect for making cooking easier, faster, and a lot more fun. From versatile multi-cookers to compact waffle makers, there's something here for every kitchen lover. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these gadgets are sure to level up your culinary game. Let's jump in and check them out. So friends, let's start the video. Next, digital rice cooker. Enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time with this smart digital rice cooker. It features multiple cooking settings, including options for white rice, brown rice, and more. The keep warm function ensures food stays hot until you're ready to serve. Easy to clean and operate, it's perfect for busy lifestyles. A great addition for rice lovers. Next, food scale. Take control of your meal prep with this precise and easy-to-use food scale. Perfect for accurately measuring ingredients for cooking or portion control. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the digital display is clear and user-friendly. Ideal for anyone serious about health or baking. Precision and convenience all in one. Next, non-stick roasting pan. This non-stick roasting pan is perfect for achieving perfectly roasted meats, veggies, and more. Its durable non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, even after the heartiest meals. Designed for even heat distribution, it ensures consistent cooking. The sturdy handles make it easy to lift in and out of the oven. A true kitchen staple for every occasion. Next, Magic Bullet Blender. This compact, powerful blender is perfect for whipping up smoothies, sauces, and more in seconds. Its convenient size makes it easy to store, yet it's powerful enough to handle a variety of ingredients. The set includes multiple cups and lids for on-the-go convenience. It's an all-in-one tool that fits into any busy kitchen. Next, baking dish. This versatile baking dish is ideal for a variety of recipes, from casseroles to desserts. Its durable, heat-resistant material ensures even cooking and easy food release. The stylish design also makes it perfect for serving at the table. With convenient handles, it's easy to move from oven to table. A must-have for any home cook. Next, mini waffle maker. This mini waffle maker creates delicious, golden waffles in minutes. Its compact design fits easily in any kitchen, making it ideal for small spaces. The non-stick surface ensures easy waffle removal and quick cleanup. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a sweet treat anytime. A fun addition to any kitchen for waffle lovers. Next, multi-cooker. This versatile multi-cooker combines multiple cooking functions in one, from slow cooking to pressure cooking and sautéing. Its digital controls make meal prep easy and efficient, with customizable settings for various dishes. Perfect for quick, flavorful meals with minimal effort. Next, egg cooker. Make perfect eggs every time with this quick and easy egg cooker. Whether you want boiled, poached, or scrambled, it does it all in just minutes. The compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens or dorms. Its user-friendly design takes the guesswork out of cooking eggs. Start your mornings right with hassle-free, delicious eggs. Next, plating wedge set. Enhance your presentation with this plating wedge set, crafted to bring professional flair to every dish. Ideal for both sweet and savory plates, these wedges add structure and style. The lightweight yet sturdy design is easy to use and clean. Perfect for chefs and food enthusiasts alike, it turns any dish into a visual masterpiece. Next, soda maker machine. Enjoy fresh, fizzy soda in seconds with this soda maker machine. It's environmentally friendly, helping you cut down on single-use bottles. With simple operation and a sleek design, It fits right in on your countertop. You can customize fizz levels for the perfect drink. A great addition for any sparkling water lover.